All right, example 2 here. So pause if you need it or read the question. All right, so the first thing we need to do is define our variables. And you got to understand that a break-even point, as it discusses in the problem, is when cost equals revenue. So break-even is when you go from a net loss to a net gain, or a negative profit to a positive profit. So we're going to have a cost function and a revenue function. So we're going to define, so it says per $1.50 per copy. So that word is an indicator of what our variable is going to be. So it's X is going to be the number of copies, and then Y is going to be kind of ambiguously denoted total money. This is because we're going to have the total cost for one equation and the total revenue in the other equation. So Y is total money, depending on which equation we are talking about. So for the cost equation, what are the costs? So there's an initial fixed cost of $600. That's a one-time thing, so that does not get a variable. And then it's 90 cents per copy. So the per indicates that's our coefficient. So 0.90x plus 600 is our total cost per number of copies. And then for the revenue, we're going to have $1.50 per copy. That's just the money coming in. Revenue means money coming in. Profit is when you subtract cost from the revenue. So now we want the break-even point. We find when these are equal. So we use the substitution method, set these equal to each other, and solving that gives us 1,000 equals X. X stands for number of copies. So if they print and sell 1,000 copies, they will break even.